In this video, I will show you how to use Gamma AI to create a professional architecture and design presentation. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking on Create New AI and selecting the Generate option. I'll set the presentation length to 10 cards to ensure I have enough space for all my project sections. Now, I'm typing in my prompt for a 10-slide architectural proposal for a sustainable, 4-story mixed-use timber building. I'll make sure to mention floor plans and facade renderings, then click Generate Outline. Once the outline is ready, I'll review the slide topics and then move down to customize the look. I'll select Concise for the text amount and choose the cream theme for a warm, professional feel. I'll click Generate, and the AI begins building the slides one by one, from the project vision to the technical materiality and sustainability goals. After the generation is complete, I can scroll through and review the final result. If I want to make updates, I can simply click into any section to edit the content or replace the images with my own renderings. I can even use the toolbar on the right to add new cards or insert smart blocks, such as diagrams, videos, and custom layouts, to further personalize the deck. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI for architecture and design presentations.